researchers discovered a new phishing campaign targeting US and New Zealand job seekers. The malicious email presents the recipient with a lucrative job offer that includes a malicious document. In some cases, the opening of the document is triggering the exploit and leads to the downloading of a Word document template hosted on a Bitbucket repository, which eventually downloads the payload. In other cases, Cobalt Strike beacons are installed directly onto the victim's devices. Cobalt Strike beacon allows the threat actors to execute commands remotely on the infected device, allowing them to steal data or spread laterally through the compromised network. The attack of the current phishing campaign has got several stages, with most steps relying on executing obfuscated Visual Basic and PowerShell scripts from the host's memory and abusing the Bitbucket code hosting service to evade detection. The malware delivery may differ depending on the target, as the attackers keep copies of Amadei and Redline Stealer in the dropping repository as well. Cobalt Strike is still one of the most widely used tools in attack campaigns to gain initial access to corporate networks and spread laterally within the victim's devices. Acronis Advanced Email Security prevents malicious emails from reaching your inbox. Multi-layer detection included in Acronis Cyber Protect detects and blocks malware used in such attacks.